How to see Shopify store theme. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to see Shopify store theme. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Shopify store and this is where you will get. This is our main admin. I'll show you how to see the Shopify store theme that you have. In order to check the theme that you have for your Shopify store, you will have to go to the online store option right here. Once you select it, the first option is going to be themes. It will show you the current theme right here, and you can see this is the theme that I have selected. I will be able to see the name right here, and if I click on customize, it will open up the website for me and I will be able to customize the theme that I have selected. So you can get a broader view of your theme that you have of your store. This is the theme name right here, and you can edit it out from here. You can customize and check out the theme settings. Let's go back and it will take us right here. This is the current theme. If I click on actions, I will be able to rename, duplicate, download the theme file, edit code or edit languages, or get a preview as well. So this is how you can check your theme. You can see your Shopify store theme easily. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.